Cherif Medawar here, and I want to mention to you that every week we have people calling the office saying that they are actually doing deals and they have deal flow, but they're running out of capital. They want to be able to jump in on these great opportunities that are appearing in the market. And the ultimate solution, what I have done many years ago, was set up a real estate fund. That's what I want to share with you. I want to explain to you how to do it, because a real estate fund allows you to put different assets, allows you to raise money, allows you to structure it different than syndications where it's just one deal, one asset. And many people tell us they went to attorneys and the attorneys tell them, oh, you need to set up 2-3 syndications before you set up a real estate fund. Not at all. I'm going to show you exactly how we've done it. We have our own team of attorneys that work with us who have done it for many, many students. And if you want to really scale to a level where you have access to capital, be able to afford team members that can help you, be able to bring in investors into your fund and grow to the level you want, whether in multiple deals or in larger deals, to maximize on the profits that are coming up in the market and your background as you grow, this is your opportunity, this is your time. There is so much I want to share with you on how to structure this, because the money is in the structure, not just the strategy. So I'm going to do a free training call. It's going to be a Zoom call on August 17th, 2023. And I want you to register below, because on that call, I'm going to share with you the different types of Reg D, the regulations that the Securities and Exchange Commission have allowed us to use to be able to legally raise capital, group investors together, and deploy that capital into these beautiful real estate deals. And you can set up just one fund, and the fund will allow you to do multiple deals and attract people because of how it is structured. I'll explain to you, because if you go to an attorney, the attorney will tell you, well, you tell me how you want to structure it. I'm not going to tell you, there is a liability for it. But we tell you, we show you, we demonstrate it, and we've done it several times with many people. And so you know this is not my first rodeo. As a matter of fact, I've been training people for 18 years on setting up funds. My own funds, the first fund started in 2009. That's over 15 years ago, over $100 million in assets under management at any one time. We even had to file some stuff with the SEC, because when you go over 100 million, you have to file some documents. We'll explain on my call the difference between the regulations, which one will work best for you. I'll explain to you the difference between fund versus syndication. I'll explain to you the right way to raise capital one-on-one versus in groups. I'll explain to you how we do it and why we make it turnkey for investors and they bring the results. And now we're actually going to start brainstorming with all the real estate fund managers that have their own funds and see if we can do like group investing at a higher level in a better way. But I want to get you started. I want you to understand the differences, and I want you to see how in just an hour call you will understand how this whole thing works, from strategy to structure to system to exactly how to automate it, to be able to scale it and sustain it, and go from doing 1, 2, 3 deals maybe every few months to really doing multiple deals and growing to a level where you're comfortable with, because you'll be able to have more capital, have more team members, have more investors under you, and make it happen. Register below for the August 17th. I'm going to cover so much, and I'll even open it for questions and answers. So start preparing your questions for that call, and then you'll be able to balance your life and spend some time by the beach every now and then, spend some time in the deals looking, and help everybody grow with you, and not just be a solopreneur where you're trying to do it all by yourself. There's only so much time, so much effort, so much intelligence you have, so much credit. But when you group people together, everybody benefits. The risk is lower, the risk is manageable, and you will learn exactly also how to get the right assets into your deals. Thank you so much. Register below, and I'll see you on August 17 on the Zoom call. Thank you. All the best.